So guys, from here onwards, we are developing a full website. We are developing the website as a new member, someone who does not have any idea of working with WordPress from the starting to end. So if those of you just find the website on net, it's a series of websites that was 7 days training, and this is our final stage that we've been started today. So try and do your installation, then follow along with me. You can check the installation website and installation video on YouTube. We have the steps over there, both manual and one-click installation. You can follow along with us whilst we continue. Guys, we have already studied about how to install your own theme and plugin. So therefore, after downloading your content and your images and others, I want you to install your plugin, your theme. All right, these are some of the files that we don't need this, so I will just go ahead and delete all those files, that all these ones I don't need them, so I will go ahead and delete them all. I'll go ahead and delete in this one. Okay, sorry. Now we want to upload our theme. So to upload your theme, since our theme is going to upload manually, not automatically, we are going to upload our theme. So I will just go ahead, then go to my theme folder here, then I'll go ahead, then just drag it. You can click, and as you will know how to upload your website, so upload file, because you can click and browse from your file manager. I always like drag and drop, drag and drop. So I'll activate it. All right, this is the main theme that we are using. So you can get this theme from Team Forest website, and I'm not an affiliate, and I'm not advertising for them, but this is the theme we are going to use. I'm going to, in our end here, we are going to use for the website. Yeah, this is the theme we are going to use, and we are going to add the chart one, since it's a training purpose. So click on upload, we go back to add the other theme called chart. The difference between the chart and the main theme is, in case you are using the theme and you want to you decide to make some changes on how to call it. Let me go back. You decide to make some changes. You decide to make some changes on the coding side. So with that one, when you can make the changes and on the chart, and when there's an update, the update will not affect. Click on the theme here, then let's go to the main theme. The update will not affect your main website. Now let's look at the website. That is it, everything is nyama nyama back. So after installing WordPress theme, this is all about WordPress theme. This is how it will look like, and this is how you are going to get from the beginning. Most of the theme will require you, almost 99% of them will require you to install a plugins that help them to achieve their goal. And since you need that goal to work it, they will ask you to install that one. So click on begin install, and you can find that one under appearance, then install plugins. We have these two different this one is the recommended one by the teams, and this one is the ones you personally want to add it to. So click here, then you install these two theme. Wait for it to install and it will be finished within a short time. So it's being installed. If in case you find you get an error or you see it's taking too long to install, please do refresh the page. When you notice this loading has ended, as my own has ended, you are waiting for it for some time and it maintained or is being stuck as this, that you cannot know what is happening. Wait for a few minutes, then you just refresh the page. Refresh the page as this, and you see it still loading to unpacking the package, installing the plugin. They say the installation is failed. The installation is failed. Sometimes don't worry about this. Go back here and you see it's being installed. Yeah, it's being installed. So install this one also. It's been successful. Sometimes because you select the double multiple installation, that's why it may happen instead. So you can do it one installation after the other. Now we are done with the here, so we need to activate it. So I'll activate it one by one so that I may not have those problem again. Okay, it's done. Let's go back to our team again. Then it's giving us additional plugin to install. Those installation is the first to verify you own license to the team before this plugin will come for you to continue. So let's go ahead. You have plugin, begin installing plugins. So go ahead. I want to install them one by one so that I may not have that trouble. Go ahead and install all those plugins, then we come back and continue with our work. Then to activate, let's activate the ones that we want to have, the ones we have installed. So activate. Now we are done with the necessary plugin that is needed. Okay, now go to, you see, some of your team. The next step you are going to do is import a demo, a data. This is the website I showed you earlier. This is the team that we are going to use, or I'm using at my end here. I don't know the team that you are using, but I just want you to follow with me. No matter what team you are using, you can follow with me and you surely going to understand everything perfectly. Now we have this team have 1, 2, 3, 4 homepage. Some teams have more than that homepage. So and have some look of it. So we are going to import. We need a default. You remember when we are doing some layout design, we just import some templates that was free, but this one is not free. You need to pay $64 or so. You need to pay to get this thing, so you can go ahead and get it. So we need this team. We need this demo to get started quick. We can start from the scratch, head to toe, and we also can lay our hand on it, then quick started. So I've already shown you how to start some things. So here we are going to import the demo, then get quick started. Hello guys, we are going to install the demo from the team. So I don't know where you're on, as I said earlier. So go, those who are following with the team, the one I'm using, and you have ordered your own or one way or other. As far as you are following with your own team, or you are using the same team as my own, then that means you can follow along with me in these steps. But if you are not using the same one, you can check the documentation over here. It will talk about your team and where to find your help and what the demo installation. Okay, click on the secret lab. Each team come with its own requirement. So this is the guy who developed the team. God richly bless you. This is the team. This is the requirement for the team. So we have 2 ways or 3 ways we can check it within the PHP settings from the cPanel, or you can manually create your own PHP my admin php.ini, or you can input it in the .at access file or content over there. So in this case, I have already included it. I've already done my own, but I want to walk you through it again. So I don't know which server you are using. Whatever server you are using, you can still log in with. Those who are using direct admin, you can search here PHP, you can find PHP settings, click on it. When you click on it, it will load. Sometimes this one will not be there, so you have to add them from here. Enter something, or just enter something, then it will be here. Okay, all this one I've already added, so just add. If you're okay with this one, this the requirement, you add your number, you click add now. You see it's been added, so you can see the php.in has been overridden. If the option what you want to add it, example, for instance, we want to add this allow URL over there, and this URL I don't think is available within the search, no results. So therefore you want to add everything here in .at access file. So here this is the .at access file. Right click to click on edit. All right, this is the look of it. Just bounce back from here, the end tag over here, then go ahead and copy the requirements. It's not all the requirements in the right format. So example, this one is not in the right format, but we will add some code to it. So you just come here and paste it over here. After pasting it over here, you need to add some, you need to type this once over there. You are going to add this code php underscore value. Okay, with the same thing, so you just go ahead and repeat one space and repeat the same steps to all of them. Now this one I will just make it 600. I'll just add 62, then 66. I don't want any error, so this is how my own is looking now. Before, this is what was the default over there. Now you want to change it, go ahead and click on manual installation. To see and to confirm, click on one of the link, like open into a new tab. Let me close this guy here. Okay, You see I having 6002 megabytes of file, so that means we are good to go. So we have already installed our plugin and we have activated it and we have refreshed the page, so we are good. So we are going to install the images. Click on it for it to load, and you see it's installing of the image. Wait for some time. Sometimes the image may not 100% downloaded for you or installed or imported for you. Sometimes it may not 100% import, so you have to manually go ahead and do it manually installation. Sometimes you can contact your team provider about it. So I will just go ahead and refresh my page, then I'll say okay, now let's open the site and see. It's still the same look. Okay, let's go to number 4. I'm going to import the number 4, the importing of number 4. Oh, sorry, it's like the same thing. It's supposed to be number 5. Sorry. Let's go ahead and import number 5. You see it's loading with a percentage over here. Then installation of demo data. You see it. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, as you can see, it's 100% done. If only you follow what I'm doing, or you are going along with me, you will get everything done 100%. So if there is an error, don't worry about any error, just keep trying. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the comment. Subscribe, click on the comment, and please don't forget to keep on trying. Don't just try it once and give up. No, it's something that I want you to decide that you want to using it to make your living. You are using it for making your living. You see, so focus on it. Fight within these 7 days. If you will spend time, you spend your night on it, you get any leisure time you will spend on it whilst you are on in case you are working part-time, or you work out, you are working, or you go to school. Anytime, instead of using your time on WhatsApp searching for people's status, use your phone to watch it over and over and over again. So before you get back home to sit on your PC or your laptop, you are getting much idea about it. Start. If there is an error, forget it and restart. Keep on trying, no matter how many error you get. If you need an assistance, join us on the group, share your comment online, everywhere. Keep on, do something, do something. All right, so the next one that we are going to import is the slider or the sliders. We click on the import, we wait, and it's been done. Then the next one is the theme option set. Each one come with its own 100% done. You sometimes you may see you say error occur while theme option importing, or you are trying to save the same data that is already there. We have import the forms. Okay, it's being import 100% done. So keep on going. Far is 100% done. Import the widgets. So the widget is being imported and imported, is 100% done. That's all. So we have finished. Say go to your team. All right, I think we are good to go. We are good to go now. So go back to the site. Now you're having these pages over here. You're having 4 different pages that we can choose from. 4 different pages. So I want you to go through and select the one that you want to choose from. To select the one that you want to choose from is go to the main website theme. The main website theme, that is where you can get the right one done. Let me close this guy here. Okay, this is their website. All right, so on the website they have the background image over here. It may look like one, but it may look like two. You have the big one, you have the right side, then you have this one. Sometimes some people use image for this kind of design, so this one may be image, that image stuff. So when you select it, you see there is an image. So this one is image, that means picture that is being used. So after the banner, you have the top edge quick to look or quick action or quick bar. You have the phone number, the info, then follow us, and the social media icons at the top here. So let me close this guy. Looking at here, this here, we have the top one over here. We have this guy. Sometimes such a things as this, you can contact your hosting, your team provider, and he can assist you with such issues. He can assist you with such issues. Now, we like this one or not is all going to depend on you. You have the menu, you have this one, you have another welcome address over here with someone sign. Then you have the professional team, certified customer, successful project, year of experience. We have those one also. We have full range, and when you come here, you have this one can be their portfolio or a link to their services. The services can be this one. You can use this one as your service. So even from here to sell or to let people be okay before they move on to another the other side of the second phase, full range of website designing service. You see, it's not necessary for you to use a whole lot of stuff as that, but it all depends. Web development, landing page, e-commerce, branding. Then you come to get a free prototype of your future website. Then the person send you a message, then how it goes. So even this one, you can let this one end, be the end of the website. So the website can start from the starting here, so it end here. It's okay. Let's look at how it's going. This one, you can add this one to the services or how we work. See how we work. So information gathering, that is the process of you getting the content and the images from the client. Then you come to the second stage, that is you are planning how the website will look like, as I've told you in one of the lesson, getting the idea, the concept, and the layout of the design. Then you design it, you draw it out, the plan, you design it. If you want to code, sometimes you can use Photoshop and other to design everything. And doing that kind of work using the process here is not just normal price that you have to go for. To be honest with you, it's not normal price you need to go for. By designing, going through this process, even using Photoshop, design the full website, showing to the owner before you continue to development stage, then the testing stage. These are the normal process. But based on your location, if the client is ready to afford all this process, go along with him or her. If the client cannot afford this process, this place is very needed for the client to provide those information. That is the gathering of the content, the images, then the planning. You plan, then you design or you develop the website based on what you have seen. You have sketched it. That way you don't need to design in a phototype or in a design format. Then the person will have to send in a PDF format. The person will look through. It's not an easy work, to be honest with you. I've gone through that. The person will look through, then click. Okay, I'm okay. I don't need to go and redesign this one. Then you redesign Photoshop again. So then he approved it. That is just normal picture design. Then before you go to the development stage, then you go to the testing and the launching of the website. You come to team. So this one, you can move this stage. This one move to another page. We have our client and team. Our creative team. This one you can add your team. If you are not with the team, forget about this one. Keep on going. Then you have your how to call it prices over here. Then up to date with new events. If you want people to subscribe to your newsletter, you have recent news that talks about blog. That we will study that one soon. Okay, this is the page layout we are going to work with. This is the page layout we are going to work with, and I've given you the overview of it. So now let's go to the next home page 2. It's also having the first and the second layout, the third one. Okay, having here, then it also have here. Okay, and have I chosen as, you see, it's also different from the other one. Get a free photo, blah blah blah. But here also different from the other one side. So go through and see which one you are ready to use for your design. You see, from here to here is the same thing. From here to down is the same thing. From here to going down here, they are the same thing. So the difference is in between here and here is the same thing. That just the look. Here you just change the format. Instead of big going top, just okay, have this one. Then the third one. Then the third one also have that has been also changed the look out. Okay, the first by having the same 1 2, the quick 2 bar or the quick bar at the top, phone number, email, social. Then you have logo, you have the menu, you have the slider. Those one don't have sliders, but this one have slider. Okay, you have the face look, call to action. You change the background over here, then add some things. This is it. They have the price and everything. The last work. Okay, to be honest with you, I will go with this layout over here. That is the number 3 over here. I'll go with the number 3 over here. I'll go with the number 3 over here. So I'll add the image. There's no image. Now I'll add my designs and images over here. Then website design package will also be here. The last work will also, some of the work will be here. Our clients, and also ever downwards. And so with that one, I have, since the image are not showing, I have those ones. So I can, based on this one, to work my design out. You see, this one is an image with the background being transparent. So background transparent putting upon the big background. This one is the background over all the blog background color here. Okay, you have this notification. There's icons that you can get it for free. This icon are free. You can use open sources that you can get it online and use. We will try those ones also. And we can check the theme. Within the theme I sent to you, I've imported some images based on that theme features, so you can work along with it, work along with it, work along with it. But looking for here, I would like my website to start from here up to, I would like this one, I would like this one. Maybe it's not going to be all the four, or it may be four, it depends. Then website design packages, I will add the package. I like the packages. My latest work will be there. The client can also be included. I can add my client if necessary. Some people may ask you, we don't want you to include us in your client area, be with your partners, because they don't want you to know, people to know you are the one who developed the website with them. Based on the terms and conditions, you can agree with them, so be it. Then, because I have encountered many of them, so go ahead as you want to. Okay, individual approach. Okay, personal solution, individual approach to. They have a good content that you can start with those who are starting. Well, that's why I recommend this team for those who are starting. Send your requirement for a website. We will reach you specification. We will research your specification and competed. As I forget it, me. So I would like to choose this one. Then let's go to the fourth one. You have website landing. Okay, this one doesn't have. Okay, you have the quick one, but now the logo is at the top. But okay, you go down. Okay, so go through. See how they look upon here. You have the features. You have this guy here, same as the number 2. Okay, please, I think I have spent some time with you for now. You can hear from my talking that I am really tired, to be honest with you. I am really tired, and I promise you we are going to develop the website. Okay, guys, take some time, go through the website and everything, then we catch up with you soon. So I want you to go through, choose the one that you want to work with. Which one you choose is the same process. So you can choose the number 3, work with us. Later on, if you are okay, you can still use another. See, some team doesn't have 1, 2, 3. Some team have different pages, like different websites all together. You see them over some end here or some point here. Go through and choose the one that you want. Okay, go through and choose the one that you want. Okay, I will see you later. Bye for today.